Hello and welcome back. And in this video, we are going to be creating our birthday list. Basically, the SwiftUI or front end part of birthday list. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. First thing I think we can do is we're going to create our birthday cell. So let's go ahead and right click on view, and this time we're going to add a new file for SwiftUI, and we're going to call this one birthday cell. Okay, and this one is going to basically have a few observable properties and stuff. So not few, actually, just one. So let's go ahead and create. First, we're going to create our view model. So we're going to say birthday view model. It's going to be of type birthday view model, and we're also going to have a state property. And we're gonna simply say update presented for that one, and we're gonna say false. Okay, we don't need preview, so I'm just gonna remove that. And now onto the UI. So basically, we're gonna first create H stack. Okay, and in this H stack, we are going to have a V stack. All right, this V stack is going to be presenting basically having these month strings and everything. So let's first create the calendar. Okay, so we're gonna say text birthday view model dot month string is what we need. Gonna make this bold. Gonna make foreground color to be white, and gonna make frame with width is 60, height as 20, and alignment we don't care, so default value. Then background is gonna be rectangle, and this is gonna be filled with color.red. Okay, so let's go ahead and select and Control I to format, and then this is our month string. So this is the top part of the calendar, and then we're gonna have text birthday view model dot day string. Okay, and we're gonna have bold. Okay, and frame is going to only have height, so we only need height in this case, and that is going to be 40. Okay, so that will actually create our calendar. Let's give it a background. Rounded corners, and we're gonna fill it with white, and there's gonna be a shadow of radius 5. Okay, so this is our calendar, and next there comes the name part. So name is going to be text birthday view model dot name dot font is going to be title, and this is going to be bold. Gonna have foreground color as white, and padding as leading 20. Okay, then we're gonna have a spacer, and after spacer we're gonna create that turning however many years and remaining days. So let's go ahead and create a V stack for that. So this is gonna have turning days and in number of days. Okay, and we're gonna create a V stack for this, and this V stack is gonna have text, and this text is gonna be turning. Font is going to be caption. foreground color is gonna be white, padding is 5, background color is orange, clip shape is rounded rectangles. We're gonna clip a shape with corner radius as 10. Okay, so that's basically our turning text, and then this orange text right here, and then we're gonna have another text, and this one is going to say in. Oh, sorry, first we need the birthday, so we can say birthday view model dot turning year. And as you can see, like, now creating this UI has been rather easy because we have all the values computed in our view model. So all we need to do is basically refer them and then use them. And this is the benefit of MVVM, where you have everything computed. So you get the benefit of, like, having this logic independent of UI, and you can literally create any UI you want in any like Objective-C, or I mean, literally, yeah, you can create an Objective-C as well, but Swift and SwiftUI, basically either of those, and I should not say Swift basically because SwiftUI is also Swift. I would say, like, you can create it either in storyboards using UIKit or SwiftUI. So we're gonna get remaining days, and we're gonna say days, and let's apply some modifiers for this one too. Font is gonna be caption, bold, multi-line text alignment is gonna be center, foreground color is gonna be white, padding is gonna have horizontal padding as 10, and oh yeah, that's what I was thinking. There's something wrong here. Okay, horizontal padding, and then we need vertical padding, and this vertical padding is going to be 5, and then you're going to have background, which is going to be color dot blue, and clip shape, and we're going to clip shape for rounded rectangle with corner radius as 10. Okay, so after that we're gonna simply create a padding for around, basically this is the entire cell that we have, so we're gonna create a padding around that, and we're gonna give it a background of color dot black, and dot opacity is going to be 0.1. That's the shade that we are giving here, and we're also gonna give it a corner radius of 10 and shadow of 10. Okay, let's select everything and Control I one more time to format, and there we go, we have our cell. Okay, so this is our BirthdayCell, and let's go ahead. This video is already getting long, and we have a lot of things in the list, so let's go ahead and pause the video here and break it up into 2. So in the next video we are gonna actually create our birthday list view, okay, using once again SwiftUI. Okay, so basically we have just finished creating the cell, and we're gonna create our list that's gonna contain the cell in the next video. Okay, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you.